Good morning. This morning I want to talk to you about the LetPot hydro growing system that I put into my kitchen so I can start growing my own herbs. I'm not going to pay those high prices at the supermarket any longer or try to buy them fresh, normally out of season. Take a look at this phenomenal system. Come along, leave me your comments, tell me what you think. So this is an easy setup and an easy process to grow right here in your own home. So let's get started at getting this set up. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to take this here, it's called a telescope, and you're going to put it in the back of the unit this way. Here we go. Put it in the unit this way, and it'll clamp down. You're then going to run the cord out, plug in the electrical part. Then you're going to take your pump and plug your pump in into the next plug right there. Perfect. So we've got the pump plugged into the wand, and we got the electrical plugged into the wand. And we want to get our growing light on top. You have on here your power button to turn on the lights. Along with that, you can see where it says what you want to grow: vegetables and flowers, brightness, pump, and Wi-Fi. So you can turn on all of those. And you can set these to a phone app so that you can turn the lights on whenever you want them to run in order to grow what you're growing. All right, so we've got that inserted on there. Let's get it plugged in. So we're plugged in, and the next thing we want to do is press the button here, and that will adjust this so we can lift it or lower it. Let me show you here. The button's in the back, and that's going to allow you to lift this and lower it so that as you grow your plants, you can adjust the height of the light. The next thing we're going to do is we have what's called two nutrients, plant food B and plant food A. We're going to fill each bottle of nutrients with 100 milliliters of pure water and shake to mix them well. So let's do that. This looks like it's got some white granules in there, whatever that is. Let's fill that one up. This is really kind of fun. Reminds me of my old science classes when I was in school, and I love science. All right, so we want to shake that up, and let's do the second one as well. So we have A and B. This is the plant nutrient food that you're going to put into the sponges so you can start your seeds to germinate and grow. And let's get that shook up. Full of each into my liter of water. In here of the A and the B right into the liter, and then I'm going to stir it up. We'll use one of these sticks they supplied to do that with. And this is the nutrient food that is going to help germinate these plants or herbs and spices that I'm going to grow. And there we go. All right, now that we've got that stirred up, I'm going to pour this right into the container. So you can see the level of water. It's actually closed up. You can see the level of water. Let's take this out of the way. There we go. That's perfect. Let's get the tray on there. And we'll get the, this is really nice. I like it very much. So we're going to get the white trays into the tray top. You got little grooves so it snaps right in there. What a clever idea. This is really great, the LetPot. Great idea if you have a home or a small apartment or a little flat or a little townhome that you live in, and you want to grow vegetables or you want to grow some herbs, you can do it right in your home. Now what's great is you also have these little caps. So if you're not growing anything in a particular slot, just cap it off. All right, so let's get the sponges in there. And then we're going to drop 2 to 3 seeds into each sponge. Now these I bought separate. 2 chives. Let's do that first. So let's get the chives in there. Little seeds. So I'm going to put in, let's do 3. All right, so we have those down in the hole. And let's do it here. And I have those down in the hole. Let's push those down in there. You don't need to, but I want to. Okay, now that those seeds are in there, I need to mark what they are. I probably should use a marker, but that's going to be okay for now. So let's get these covered with these little tops. Very nice. Very nice. And I have chives. So let's just speed this process up here as I plant the rest of my herbs. I'm doing a little bit of cilantro, and I think I want some sage, and I'm putting in some parsley, and I'm putting in some dill. So let's get those all marked. Let's get everything put in place, cover them up with their little caps, and let's move forward. Enjoy this section as I sped it up. Now, if you live in an area that doesn't get a lot of light, this has got a lighting system on top. And the power's here. I'm going to push it on. Look at that. And I want to do vegetables and flowers. And I want the brightness to be a little lower. There we go. And that's the pump, which turns on the pump. So the LetPot hydroponic plant growing system has an app that I'm going to download on my phone so that I can regulate the lights, the time, and the water pump from my phone app. Give it a try. Vegetables, and there's flowers. So we're going to do the vegetables. I'm going to lower it just a bit because I don't need to have it that high. Right there. And that's going to grow. And that should germinate in about a week's time, according to the seedlings. So I'm telling you, if you think you want to save money growing your own, let's say you want lettuce come winter, or you want some fresh carrots come winter, whatever it is you want, I'm going to tell you right now, you need to order one of these. I want you to take a look down in the comments below, and I'm going to attach the link where you can order one of these for yourself. And if you type in the code that I'm going to put right here on my screen, that'll give you a 10% discount. So I would like to thank LetPot for sending me this, and I think it's a phenomenal idea to grow in your home. Look at that. And it really is attractive. Don't you think so? Right there on my kitchen counter. You'll receive a 10% discount. Isn't that a phenomenal little item? Thanks for watching. Until next time, be kind to each other. Ciao.